My name is David Flores. This is Christopher Flores. And today is day 6 of my video diary. And the date today is August 16th, 2014. And it's finally my birthday. Yay! And I'm finally 18. Me and Christopher and Caesar and Daisy went to Panera. It was really good. So thank you, Caesar and Daisy. And we will see you guys later. Say bye for now, Christopher.
Bye.
Bye. Me and Christopher are walking and we found $1. No, don't do that. We found $1, right, Christopher? Yeah. See you guys later. Bye. Hi again. I just wanted to say thank you to all the people that said happy birthday to me. It means a lot to me and it makes me really happy. So I just wanted to say thank you to all the people, and I wrote down all the names. So thank you Kimberly, thank you Barbara, thank you Stephanie, thank you Nemesio, thank you Lily, thank you Diana, thank you Daisy, thank you Caesar, thank you Daisy's sister Diana, thank you Eric, thank you Mimi, thank you Julie Ruiz, thank you Vicky, thank you Jimmy, thank you Rebecca, thank you Paola, thank you Jasmine, thank you Javi, thank you Brian, thank you anyone else who said happy birthday. Sorry if I didn't say your name, but I'm just really happy and you guys are all amazing. I love you guys all. So thank you. Bye.
Today's song for David's vlog is Lovers on the Sun by David Guetta. Enjoy your corn.
So it's 11:06, which means it's still my birthday. No one has sang the happy birthday song for me yet. So Christopher's gonna sing it for me. Right, Christopher? Ready? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear David. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Good job. High five. Good job. See you guys later. Say bye, Christopher.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christopher. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yeah.